Do you ever feel like you're just working so much, plate is just overloaded with so many mom duties, and you feel like you can never ever have time for yourself? I was just driving to the gym on a Wednesday morning here in Colorado, and I was thinking to myself, wow, this would have never been my reality. I would have never ever had the flexibility to ever go to the gym, right? And start taking care of myself. I was a mom where I would go to work in the morning, stay there for 8 to 10 hours, and then come home, and then I would need to cook dinner, get my son ready for bed, help him with any homework, and then it's just a rinse and wash process again, guys. I was overstimulated, I was tired, I never had time to really take care of myself. And this is why I'm on here. I am here to help other struggling moms and families who want to be, fully present mom, who want to have more time for themselves. If us moms don't take care of ourselves, first, we wouldn't be able to take care of our loved ones. So I'm telling you, this is an opportunity for you to work less, earn more, and be able to live life on your own terms. Guys, we live in a digital era. Everything is digital, guys. So why not learn the skill sets today so that you can have the life that you want to live, the flexibility, and be there for yourself and your loved ones. If this sounds like you, I want you to put me in the comments, and I would love to share the same blueprint that has changed my life and is changing other people's lives. And guys, if I can do it and they can do it, why not you? You can do it. We are no one special. We're just average moms.